Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg drop soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of good quality chicken broth, 2 large eggs, and a small amount of cornstarch for thickening. Don't forget some fresh green onions and cilantro for that perfect finishing touch. This simple dish comes together quickly, offering a comforting and flavorful experience in just a few minutes. Now, let's get that broth ready. Pour your 4 cups of chicken broth into a saucepan and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. This is where the flavor truly begins. Add about 1 teaspoon of soy sauce and a small pinch of white pepper to enhance the taste. Then, slowly whisk in your cornstarch slurry. This will give the soup that signature, slightly thickened consistency we all love. This is the magical part, creating those beautiful egg ribbons. First, whisk your 2 large eggs well in a separate bowl. Make sure your broth is at a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Now, slowly drizzle the whisked eggs into the simmering broth in a very thin stream. As you pour, gently stir the soup in one continuous direction. This technique helps form those lovely, delicate strands of cooked egg throughout the soup. Almost done. Once your egg ribbons have formed, remove the soup from the heat. Stir in just a few drops of sesame oil. It adds a wonderful, nutty aroma. Now for the final flourish. Generously garnish each serving with your freshly chopped green onions and cilantro. This adds both color and a burst of fresh flavor. Your homemade egg drop soup is now ready to be enjoyed. It's perfect as a light meal or a comforting appetizer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.